Zakir Naik is a gentleman in India who has been sharing information about Islam and Christianity. He has a memory that's like a computer, and he's a great speaker. But a lot of what he says just simply is not true, and it misleads many people. And it's not just me saying this. There are Muslim scholars in the Ulema who are actually saying this. There is a madrasa in northern India, the Deoband madrasa, where people have actually issued fatwas against Zakir Naik. They have said things about him such as, one should not rely on his speeches, and he is not reliable, and Muslims should avoid listening to him. In fact, they even said Zakir is away from knowledge and wisdom, spreading mischievous things and misguiding simple Muslims to the wrong path. So it's not just me who says that Zakir Naik is not using sincere logic and truth, but rather that he's misleading people. Muslim scholars say the same thing as well.